Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This week's video is going to be a little bit short. I'll have a little bit of digital art at the end of a couple things that I've worked on most recently. But before we get into the video, hi, my name is Karina, and I'm also known as the Artistic Newfie here on YouTube. And you can also find me on other social media platforms as well, such as Instagram. And I'm also on Patreon, and you can find the link to the Patreon community down in the description below if you want to go and check that out. I also have an Etsy shop, and links for that are down below as well. This week, it's mostly just me packaging orders and making memo pads. I'm kind of doing this little intro after the fact of everything because I really didn't get a whole lot of interesting footage for the week, but I wanted to put something up, show you guys packaging the orders that I did get, and the dog is in the room, of course, why not? And she's scratching at the floor. And I wanted to kind of just show a little bit of the digital art because I haven't shown much digital art in a while, and it's usually the little bits and bobs of traditional stuff that I've been doing. And I have been behind the scenes ordering new supplies for stickers and been looking into options for paper for postcards and prints, and I think I'm going to be ordering some sticky. We'll get it right now in a minute. Some glossy sticker paper. And I also have a shop update coming out on the 6th of December, which is Sunday, which is also another reason why I wanted to get this video up. So I do have a couple of new products, not as many as I wanted because I always seem to put a little bit more pressure on myself than I need to, but I do have a couple different variations of memo pads, and I will have a couple different bookmarks on there as well. Plus I will have the stickers from the October illustrations that I was doing, the ones that can be turned into stickers. Definitely the little doll planter head will be there as a sticker, so you can stay tuned for that. This video will be going up on Friday, which will be the 4th of December, so 2 days after this video goes up, which is actually today. This is the 4th of December. The stuff in the shop will be live, and you can check that out. I just want to let everyone know that the shipping dates are probably past due for getting things outside of Canada for Christmas, so just be aware that if you do place an order in the Etsy shop within the next couple of weeks, then it's probably, it's not going to get to you until after Christmas. If you place it in the next couple of days, maybe by Sunday, and I get it out on Monday, it may get to you in time, but I can't promise anything. So, but I will do my best as soon as the orders come in. If any orders come in, I will get them out next day, and hopefully that pleases everybody. So, without further ado, I've been talking for 3 minutes already. I am going to let you guys see the clips that I filmed over the past week, and then I will pop in towards the end with a little bit of digital art to close out this week's video. Alright, I'll chat to you in a bit.
Hey guys, I think I'm getting pretty good with this editing thing. I have the December Patreon schedule done. It's, maybe a couple days late. I should have had this done, like, prior to the beginning of December. But it's done. It looks nice. It's my colors. These are the colors that I'm going with. I picked it off of the crystals and everything. And I'm quite happy with it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the little improvements that I'm making along the way. And this is live, I guess the posts will be over on Patreon as we speak, because this video is coming out after this is up. But this is what's happening for the month of December. If you want to check out Patreon, the link is down in the description below. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to glue another one of my jackalope memo pads, and I actually had this kind of just slapped together today from some old wood that my father had left in the garden shed. And the wood's clean, everything's clean, and as you can see up here, I've got some printer paper put on the back and the front of the memo pad so the wood doesn't bother the actual product. But this so far is working a lot better than using the button press. Only thing is, I wanted to do it a little bit bigger so I can put 2 or maybe 4 in at a time, but because it's a little bit uneven, and this was the best wood that was out there, the plywood, this is what I'm working with. So doing one at a time is better than, you know, breaking my back and bending over to glue down here because of the button press. So I'm going to give this a go, and hopefully it seems fairly straight. So I'm hoping everything is going to be good, and these only take me about an hour or so to set and glue, and this is pressing it tight, so I shouldn't have to flatten it, but we'll see what happens. Hey guys, it's the 3rd of December, and I've spent the afternoon doing a thing. I believe I just recorded my first ever podcast. It's not the best, obviously, because it's my first one, but it's for patron only. It's kind of like a bonus material to see if this is something that they'd like, something that they want me to continue with, and if so, then I'll be doing it on a maybe a 2-week basis, once a month type thing, depending on if it's just me doing a catch-up or if it's like a topic video. I'm so used to making videos. A topic podcast. I did download this right here. It's called, I don't even know what it's called. Anyway, it's an editing program for doing podcasts and fixing audio clips and what have you. So I am learning how to use that. So bear with me. If you go over and join up on Patreon for the $3 tier and up, you can have access to the podcast. And I believe there's like upwards of 70 different clips that you can, of different things, whether it be wallpapers or posts or what have you, that you can get access to for just $3 a month, American. I'm gonna stop promoting Patreon now, but I did a thing, so let's see how it goes.
Hey guys, it's the 4th of December, and I've just been going through the footage that I have for a vlog, and there really isn't enough there. So I'm going to do some foiling. I'm going to try to foil some stickers, and if it works within the next couple of hours, I'll have something else to add to the footage. I've changed, I'm going to take the dogs outside. I've been having issues with the internet all morning, so it's a hit or miss whether or not the internet is going to allow me to use the design software, because you still need to have that in order to, the internet, I mean, to access the design space. So it's been a little bit of a rough morning. I have sinus issues again, and I don't even have a fire in today. It was 15 degrees here yesterday. Usually we have snow. Usually it's not as warm as what it is, but it looks like we're gonna have a green Christmas, which I'm also not gonna complain about. We do have a tiny ass Christmas tree this year because we're afraid to go and spend $300 on a new artificial tree, because we're afraid that Archer is going to wreck it. So my aunt had left a 4-foot Christmas tree out in the garden shed, and I brought that in last night. There's already lights and everything on it, and we plugged it in. It's not ugly. It's not the nicest Christmas tree we've ever had, but you know, first year with a brand new dog, We don't want to waste money or cause any more damage than what needs to be done. So we're gonna see how this year goes. Everyone's satisfied with the tiny tree, and we're gonna go from there. But I'm gonna take the dogs outside. They're already out. My parents are out getting ready to have a fire in the backyard. Yeah? Bring a what? A lighter? Okay. And gonna go out and kick the ball around for the dogs just a little bit. Here's our tiny Christmas tree right there. It's a tiny little thing, but oh well. My dad just came in asking for a lighter, so I'm gonna go run out there, and I'll check back in with you guys in just a little bit.
Pixie, where's your ball? Alright guys, so we've been having a hit and miss with the internet here all afternoon, and it's roughly about 3:30 or so I thought that I would just go ahead with my initial ending for the video and add in a little bit of digital art that I've been working on. I haven't released these stickers because I don't know if I should, because so many other people have done like sweet treats and what have you. So these are just the first two little illustrations here are just a couple things that I kind of had in the back of my mind, and I just wanted to try to see if I could make a realistic looking donut and a chocolate dipped strawberry. So that's the first two little illustrations that you'll see here. I do have them formatted to be stickers, so let me know if you think this is something that you'd like to even just seen put into orders as freebies, or if you'd like to see them in the Etsy shop. Just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And the last image that you'll see is one of the Christmas stickers that I decorated, or that I illustrated, and I had them in my shop for a bit, but it was getting close on to the beginning of December, and I didn't think they were going to sell, so I took them down. But the patrons for last month did get a copy of them. So I hope you guys like those. But I'm going to leave you with a tad bit of music here for the ending. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll get that foiled sticker in the next video. And I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you guys are going to have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.